This boat is 25 pounds now. After I add the sail and other components to it, I hope to keep the overall weight to be under 35 pounds. I need to design a cart so I can move the boat easily. There are different things I want to try with this boat. Firstly is, I want to see if this motor drive can push the boat. I don't expect it will be fast, but I want to see at least it can push and move the boat. The other thing I want to do is come up with a Pontoon's pedal drive. I bought this pair of fins last year. I have an idea either propel the boat with this fins by getting the fin move sideways or up and down. For now, let me get the sail to work first. This is the third time I build a sailboat. I do like the mini cat with 2 sails, but for now I want to make my design simpler and I will use only 1 sail. I like Hobie's 1 sail design and I'm going to use it as my reference. Obviously, this is not the correct way to design a production boat, but it will work for me. What I'm doing here is trying to get a sample photo of a boat and then I scale it to the length of the boat I have, which is at 9 feet and 6 inches. And then I can tell I just need to put the mast at 2 feet and 3 inches from the bow. Let's take a look at another boat, which is 13 feet long. If I scale it down to 9 feet 6 inches, now it's like magic. The placement of the mast is proportionally the same as the other boat, which is at 2 feet and 3 inches. Isn't that interesting? From the tip of the bow to the mast step should be about 2 feet and 3 inches. Since my frame is too short, I add an extension to it, and then I can mount my mast step just like this. This is a quick test. It will work better when the pontoons are on the water. The Falcon sail is between 10 to 15 square feet. The Hobie Mirage sail is about 20 square feet. I was told the size of the sail should be the length times the width of the boat. In my case, it should be 26 square feet. I'm going to recycle this mini blind into a sail, and it is 5 feet wide and 64 inches long, and I should be able to use it to make a sail of around 20 square feet. At the leech and luff of the sail, I will add a thinner rope. At the foot, I will use a thicker rope. Since the sail is relatively small, hand stitching is fast. It didn't take me a lot of time to finish the mast. At the end of the rope, I make a loop and I use screw to attach the rope to the top piece of the window blind. I reused this aluminum piece as the yard for the lug sail. The force on the rope can then be transferred to the yard, which is the top piece of the window blind. I experimented attaching the halyard to different parts of the yard, and this is what I finally selected. This gives me a better balance for the sail. This is the final rigged up sail and is ready for testing. I will share more details in building this boat after my water test. I appreciate your support by subscribing to my channel, and if you find this video interesting, please give me a like. I will finish the centerboard today and will be ready for water test on Memorial Day. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.